Here I have Xiaomi Redmi 6A and let me show you how to change wallpaper on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Then let's find and select the settings. Here you need to scroll down in order to find wallpaper. As you can see here, you can use the following folders to set up your wallpaper. You can use some local photos from your gallery or from your albums. It could be even the screenshot. Let's go back. You can also use the pre-installed wallpapers, and here we've got the wallpapers for Xiaomi. So let me, for example, set up the following wallpaper. Let me tap apply. For example, on my lock screen. You can also use it on your home screen on the both screens. Let me tap lock screen wallpaper applied, and as you can see right now, if I press the power key, I would see the new wallpaper of my Xiaomi Redmi 6A. So everything went well, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.